Alright, as some of you may know, April was my birthday month, and when I scroll through on TikTok Shop decided to show up for the first time for me. And when I scroll through on TikTok Shop, there's one thing that caught my attention, which is a 1 cent Hot Wheels. Yeah, a 1 cent Hot Wheels. And I got one right here. I think I ordered this like sometime around early April, and I got it around like few days later. I did not unbox it until today, and right now it's the 16th. Normally in Malaysia, a Hot Wheels would cost like 9 ringgit at Tesco or anywhere else, but 1 cent? That's unbelievable, pretty much. I think the reason why it's 1 cent is because first, I'm a new user. Second is that maybe I got some coupons. Yeah, that's the reason I could think of. I don't think I can get it for that price anymore. Anyway, so let's unbox it. It was wrapped in this box. Okay. Good thing I got a pair of scissors, though. No way. It is real. Wow. I guess I need more scissors. Or maybe not. Actually, I need. As you can see, there's a slight damage right here. There's another crease right here, but overall, like, entire thing was mint. So this is a Honda Civic EG, the hatchback version, which you guys can see right here. Normally, if I found something cheap, I would just buy the Proton Saga Hot Wheels since it's a car I have, and since I live in Malaysia, those are pretty hard to come by, but that's I don't have it, and this is the only thing that I'm interested at pretty much. So yeah, that's the car itself. Also, there's like some Chinese thing, which I have no idea what that says still. Would I recommend buying stuff from TikTok Shop? Maybe if you only can find for a steal deal like what I did with this car. Otherwise, if you're in Malaysia, I would just say buy it off from Shopee or any of your local store if you can find one that has a steal deal. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching and bye. I think this video is too short, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, I actually filmed this video in my Saga, so I guess why not?